Yo, what's going on, guys? I literally just recorded 5 minutes of this video and I realized my mic is off. Yeah, that's awesome. But I'm eligible for a second payout today on my second account. I just kind of went over it. Kind of annoying that I have to redo this, but uh, yeah. So on my second account, I never took the payout because it's only been 3 winning days since my last payout. But I started copy trading these accounts, and I had 3 winning days or 2 winning days, and I've been copy trading since Friday and then Monday and Wednesday. No trades yesterday because it was a bank holiday. Um, and yeah, I'm able to request a payout on this for $2,000. My balance is at 4,000, and then now I'm 2 winning days away from another payout on my main account. I kind of want to maybe get them synced up so it's not buffered like this, but it's whatever. I didn't do a trade recap on this trade Monday. This Monday trade, I caught shorts on ES actually to just to London lows. I don't even know if I'm gonna go over it, but yeah. So coming into the day, I did have a bearish bias, and the reason is because this SMT was in play. Well, like the thing is, I was open to looking for shorts, and I wasn't gonna rule out shorts just because we are in an uptrend. But the thing is, we are in an uptrend, so you have to be careful when looking for shorts, right? Because the past 3-4 days we've been making higher highs, higher lows on the 4 hour in the higher time frames. But I wasn't gonna rule out shorts because we did have this SMT in play. And yeah. So, oh yeah, and we had the new week opening gap, which I kind of want to see price migrate to, which it looks like it might be. It is still far away, but generally I want to see price head in this direction. Because we are gonna want to fill that eventually. So obviously I wanted to see a high open and a low close, get a sweep of liquidity. We don't end up getting any sort of that. And pretty much I came into the day with two things. So we formed this 5 minute gap here, and I said that if we inverse this, because we are bullish on the higher time frame, I'm going to look to take longs off of this inversion towards London highs. Then we have this area of resistance here that we kind of, I think it was a 15 intermediate low. Yeah, 15-minute intermediate low here. And we have this 5 minute area of bearish, 5 minute bearish gap. And I wanted to see if we inverse this, then I'm going to look to take shorts down to Asia lows. Now on the 5 minute, we just got the craziest displacement ever, and obviously there's no entry there. So the issue is, like, I did enter off the 30-second inversion. I took partials here and then full TP right here. The reason this is like not ideal was because I entered off the 30-second inversion when there is higher time frame ones. Because I was trying to get just a better fill. Because after we came down and closed on the 30-second, already we had this is like a pretty strong displaced candle, and we just kind of displaced right through this gap. So I just market, or I stopped by. Or yeah, market sold. Market sold. Oh my god, my bad, my throat. Yeah, already on the 30-second, we displaced through this gap. Now, the reason I didn't wait for the 5 minute was just because I wanted to get kind of a sniper entry, and I did take the risk with that, you know. If we were to then respect this 5 minute and not inverse it, I would have closed the position and then waited for the 5 minute inversion. But it's just like sometimes it just displaces so far through and doesn't give you an entry if you wait for the highest time frame. So like sometimes you just have to, if you want to get a fill, you have to, take the risk. And obviously I wouldn't say I entered out of FOMO. I did, like, in my head I said, I know this is like a little more risky, but I am going to take it in the chance that I get a better fill. So it's like there's like obviously a risk and a reward to it, and if you're willing to take that, it's like obviously up to you. But yeah, pretty tight stop loss. I only used six micros, so I think my risk was like $300. So it's not a huge risk, not a lot of risk on the table. Uh, Actually less, like 260 or 270. Because I hit a 1 to 4, and yeah, ended up taking full profits for 1,000 across 2 counts, and being eligible for a second payout, which is so sick. I just can't let it get to my head, you know. This is moving like really really fast. Um, but yeah, I just gotta stay humble, not let it get to my head. I don't think I'm gonna let it, or I don't think I'm letting it get to my head. You know, I don't feel arrogant in any way, or like I'm better now that I have 2 payouts. If anything, I think it just puts more pressure on it that I have to continuously keep doing this. But you know, I definitely know I can now. Again, like pretty crazy month for me. Obviously, I know this isn't gonna happen every month. Um, you know, if I take any sort of loss, I mean, I took a loss on this Thursday, but if I take a loss, I still have to take it to the chin, not revenge trade. I am better at that. You know, when I pass this account, I showed that this losing day showed that. Um, but yeah, I know every month isn't gonna be like this. It takes time, and yeah, it takes discipline, which I know that like I still can build on that. I don't even know what I'm yapping about or what I'm saying, but I just need to not let it get to my head. But yeah, I'm eligible for another payout, which is pretty sick. I think, yeah, $2,000 payout, which is like unreal. That's like literally like I've made $5,000 this month so far in Canadian, and the month is like not even half over, which is unreal. Like, dude, I can't even. It's yeah, I don't know. I'm just yapping, but that's pretty much all. That's the trade recap. Um, the reason I was so confident to short was just because I had this area of resistance marked out, and if I wanted to see shorts, I wanted to see an inversion of this. I took it on the 30 second, but either way, that's why I didn't need to or feel the need to wait for like some sort of liquidity sweep or maybe London highs get taken out. Um, just because we were already down here, like I wouldn't have entered off like let's say this inversion, just because in my head this isn't a super strong area of like reversal, I guess. And even if we inverse this, there's chance in my head that we come up and take a London highs out still. But to me, this is like a very strong area of resistance. So if we are gonna inverse this, even on any time frame, um, we're gonna head lower. So yeah, that's kind of where my head was at. But yeah, that's about it. Um, Gonna request the payout and then head to the gym. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. CPI got delayed, which kind of sucks. I don't even know where it went or if it's on any scheduled date now. But yeah, really no news this rest of this week. Just yellow folders. So, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. See